Hello and welcome to the show. Today we are doing an unboxing and a video test so you can exactly see what you're gonna get with this webcam. Welcome to the review of the Logitech C920 Pro HD webcam. It's got full HD videos, 1080p in 30 frames per second. That will really give you that professional look to your videos. It also says stereo and audio with dual mics, and finally HD autofocus and light correction. Enjoy razor sharp high definition in every environment. This does work on laptops, Windows and Mac. And I don't know if you're like me, but at the moment the webcam on my Mac is not completely diabolical, but it just gets a bit grainy sometimes. It always makes my video looks quite dark. So that's why I have bought this webcam.
Veena V.
Hello, my name is Veena V and I help you to create effortless YouTube videos. If you're not part of Team Action yet, make sure you hit that red button below and subscribe to this channel. We've got brand new videos every Monday to keep you motivated with your YouTube journey, but also I add in some of these style videos where we are reviewing products and also giving you some top tips that you can implement on your YouTube channel. So without further ado, we're going to start with the unboxing of this. Okay, so we're gonna unbox it. Okay, so firstly, when you get in the box, oh, look at that, this is exciting. So this is what you get in the box. This is, oh, it's got a weird, what is that? Can you see that? What is that? Oh, are you like me and you actually keep, oh, but look how nice that looks with it off. I want to break my tradition and take that off. And then I want to take this bit off here so we can actually see what this bit is. Oh, look. So I'm guessing that this bit can clip onto your computer. I'm going to show you how this all connects to your computer in just a second. But can you see that? That is pretty big, isn't it? It's got that thing, it extends, you can put it on your computer. Oh, look, it's like a little stand. It's like a little stand. So this is called a 1/4 inch screw. So not only with this feature can this go over your laptop, you can also screw this webcam on to a tripod. Let me go and get mine so we can test that out. Wow, this is such a random angle. Okay, so this is my tripod. This is the one I sell actually. This is my branded tripod. If you want one of these, I will leave the link below. How I was just recording this YouTube video is I had my phone in this bit. So that's a phone holder. It fits any phone. And when you take the phone attachment off like that, this can also fit any compact camera, but it can also fit anything with a 1/4 inch screw. Okay, so can you see it? And what I just showed you on the webcam is the screw bit. So what we're going to do is just screw it on. Can you see? Literally put it in there, twist it around. Okay, so there we go. Tight. There we this is so exciting. Okay, so can you see that that is now screwed on? So with this camera, not only can it go on top of your laptop, you can also put it in a separate tripod. Just make sure the tripod you get is like my one and it has that 1/4 inch screw on it. I will leave a link below if you want one of these tripods. And what I will do for you is, because you're a part of Team Action, I will do a buy one, get one free. So you'll get one of these in pink and black and also a black one. All you've got to do is go to veenav.com/shop and I will leave the link below and the coupon code below this video. Okay, so there we go. That is what the webcam looks like. And as you can see, it's also got this USB cable here, and that simply plugs in to your laptop so you can start using that. And like I said, we are going to do a test in just a second. Let's just see if there's anything else inside the box. No. That's a big box, isn't it, for a little thing, but it does have the instructions here as well. So So that is the unboxing. It wasn't that exciting, was it? But most important part now, let's plug this in to our laptop and see what difference this webcam makes. Okay, so I've clipped it on now. Can you see? It just simply fits on the top like that, and this bit here is what's going to keep it steady, so you just need to play around with that a bit until you get the webcam to the position you want it. Remember, you don't want that's kind of looking up at the moment. You want it to, it's hard for me to record and show you, but you get the gist. That's how you put it on the computer, and then simply you plug it in like that. Okay, so just so you can see the difference of the webcams, this is my normal webcam. This is called the I think it's called the FaceTime, let's see, FaceTime HD camera. So this is the one built in to my Mac, okay? Can you see the quality? It's not, I mean, it's not bad, but it's not that crisp. You can see it's very dark everywhere and it's a little bit grainy. So this is what it looks like with my normal webcam from my computer. Now let's switch over to the Logitech C920 webcam. Oh my God. Look at the difference that makes. There's just so much more light coming on. It's not grainy. The picture quality is just more crisp, isn't it? What do you think below? Comment below. Can you actually really see that difference between my normal webcam and now the Logitech camera as well? You can tell it's better because now you can see all my my house is a bit of a mess. I can't really blame my son anymore because he's quite, much more older. He's not a baby anymore. But anyway, you can really pick up what's going on in my background. You can see me much more clearly. And why I love the webcams that you can plug into your laptop is the webcam isn't static. So with a webcam in your computer, you're going to have to move your computer around. When you've got a webcam that you have plugged in, look, I can just move this camera around. Isn't this amazing? So if I wanted to show something, I don't know. If I wanted to show something in my house or something, I can just turn the camera around. You can see, outside. You can see the laptop now. It's, I am loving this. So what did you think about this little bad boy? Let me know in the comments below. And also, if you want to buy this, I will leave the links to the Amazon UK and the Amazon US site. Please use those links where you can because they're affiliate links. And hopefully I will be able to get a few pence and buy me and my child some bread and milk. So thank you so much for watching. If you want more reviews, if you want more YouTube tips, if you want to boost your confidence and you need help to create effortless YouTube videos, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and remember to take action today, not tomorrow. If you want your life to change, if you want to progress, if you want to grow, you've got to go out there and take action and be a happiness hustler. Hustle for your happiness. On the screen right now are some previous videos, and I will see you next time right here on my YouTube channel. Bye.